Hi everyone, my name is Akhila Reddy. I'm the AC Sales Engineer here at Bluechip. Today I have something exciting to share. I have the new A-Link A40 Meeting Bar, which is an Android video collaboration meeting bar, and it is also an all-in-one solution specially designed for premium small to medium meeting rooms. Meaning it has camera, speakers, microphones, and it also has Android 13 built-in operating system, which ensures its native connectivity with Microsoft Teams and Zoom meetings. And the other key feature of this Android 13 version is you can also receive future upgrades, which makes it easier for a user to enjoy the latest deployments and new features as they become available. And we are including this bundle with CTP25 touch panel, and I will unbox this later in this video. Now let's dive in and see what's inside the box. So as you can see here, we got a quick start guide, which is always handy if you're setting up device for the first time. And we got A-Link A40 Meeting Bar. And we do even have some of the accessories inside the box. So we got clips and one A40 Ethernet cable. And we got one power cable, one power adapter, and we got two HDMI cables, and there are some brackets, and that's it in the box. So now let's take a closer look at the new A-Link A40 Meeting Bar. So as you can see in the front, it has a single lens cover that helps to protect the lens from dust and potential damage. If you are setting up the A40 or storing it, make sure the cap is always closed to keep the lens in good condition. And as a setup of A20, it has two 48 megapixel lenses, and this dual lens combines the images from two lenses to achieve a higher pixel picture with a greater clear image quality, ensuring everyone in the meeting room is seen to the best possible quality. And it also features two built-in stereo speakers, 8 long-range pickup microphones with a support for 2 additional expansion microphones if needed. And besides this, it also has a noise reduction technology that provides a great audio experiences. So as you can see on the back of the meeting bar, we have all the connectivity options. So we have one RJ45 internet port, one VCH port, one power port, two HDMI ports, one USB-C port, and one USB-A port, one line-in port, one line-out port, and a small reset slot in the corner. So this new A-Link A40 Meeting Bar is easy to use, easy to deploy, and has AI features like photo framing, speaker tracking, picture-in-picture, and there is one new added feature which is multi-focus framing. And now let's have a look at CTP25 controller. And we are including this bundle with an upgraded CTP25 controller. It has a quick start guide inside the box. And as you see, here is a CTP25 touch panel. It features 10-inch wide touchscreen that allows users to effortlessly join and manage meetings. You can also see the CTP25 has slightly different design when compared to CTP18, and a great new feature of CTP25 with A40 is a single cable installation which saves time and no hassle. For an optional extra, you can add WPP30 content sharing dongle to this solution. And that's it for unboxing video. Our first stock is in the warehouse, and we had a great demo unit you can borrow to test it out. If you have any further questions or keen to know more about the specs and information of this new A-Link A40 Meeting Bar, please reach out to us at bluechip@bluechipit.co.nz. And thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.